Hi everyone, this is Jess LeProtto for Dance Teacher Web, and right now I'm going to be doing a how-to on a few turns in plie. One thing about turns that I always love, there's so many variations that can make so much of unique and different types of turns, but really it just looks so beautiful. And one turn that I like in particular in plie is just a nice turned out passe turn in this position. So really what it is just 4 starch. And then I'm kind of turning out my foot, and make sure it's really kind of in that passe, along with my traditional arms as well. So if I demonstrate that turn, if I start here, and if I just do a double turn, it should go right into that formation, and right into that position right here. Just like so. And then, if I want to add more turns into that can go 1, 2, 3. And really the key thing here is just to keep a nice, like with any turn, just keep a nice neutral center. Arms up, elbows up, really get up on that high releve as well. And really just make sure that you have a nice, good stance in your preparation as well. 1, 2, 3. So just like that. And another turn that kind of is also in 4 starch in plie is one that I also love. It goes into coupe turn. So this is what the position looks like, just flat foot. So if you see, my foot is in coupe, and it's right behind, right here. So this is kind of like the image that I would like to get. So from here, all I have to do is bring my right foot around into the coupe position. So from here, I just go up and then come down, like that. So from here, if I do just a double turn, up, 1, 2. See that? So all I'm doing is going up on releve, then I go right into 4 starch. Straight leg to 4 starch. So one more time, that goes up, 1, 2. So that's just another turn that kind of goes into 4 starch. It kind of has that little more of a depth than just a regular straight-legged turn. So those are just a few turns in 4 starch and plie that I always like to use just to give a little more of a level if it's a routine or if it's in cross the floor, just to give a little more a level just for dancers, just to, figure out their balance, see where they are at, and then just go from there.